What's good, YouTube? I am back here with another custom, and today we're gonna be rocking with an older pair of Air Force Ones that I had a little homie give to me. So I said today it's time to bless myself. I do all the customs for everybody else, and I never get a personal pair for my own. So for today's thing today, I will be doing a Lightning McQueen custom. I think it's only right that I got my whole custom wrap done, that I had to have a shooter match. If you did not see my last video, I will link it up above. And also, here's a picture of what my car looks like. So that's what I'm going off of, and that's what I will be matching it to. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. So I got the kicks done. This is what we're looking at. I like them. They look pretty well. Came out just like my car. It's actually good to actually have it on my own pair for my own self. Normally I'm doing all the buy customs, and I gotta get into the keep that order on. So I never get to have a pair for myself, so this is really pretty much a gift back to me. You know, taking a break from everybody else and doing a pair for my own. Really like them. They came out just like my car. But anyways, that is gonna conclude everything for this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Follow me on Instagram and also follow me on TikTok. I will link everything down below in the description. Other than that though, you guys stay safe out there. Bless up.
G1, GB, I know that you see me. Like and subscribe, you can see I'm doing big things. Custom clothing, custom shoes, yeah, I'm all that. I ain't trying to brag, but you know I'm all that. G1, GB, like and subscribe. G1, GB, like and subscribe. G1, GB, like and subscribe. G1, GB, I know that you see me. In case you didn't understand, it's God first, God bless. In case you didn't understand, it's God first, God bless.